Hello everybody, my name is Yakov Darling Khan and I am the author of Jaguar in the Body, Butterfly in the Heart, the real life initiation of an everyday shaman. I'm so looking forward to sharing with you once again at Hay House's wonderful gathering, I Can Do It, at the end of September this year in London. I am delighted to join my wonderful cohort of extraordinary presenters, all of them like you, with great stories to tell, with great experiences and difficult experiences, and so much about the journey of human transformation that I think is becoming more and more a pressing need rather than something alternative these days. Though we have so many things going for us in the modern world, double the life expectancy, amazing healthcare, amazing teachings from all around the world. Nevertheless, we live at a time when there's so much loneliness of spirit, so much disconnection from who we are, so much, in a way, unnecessary suffering. Pain in this life is inevitable. Suffering, however, is optional. So the nature of the talk I'm going to offer at this year's I Can Do It is about the wounded healer and what I call the power of the unbroken. The power of the unbroken is the intelligence that's living your life, beating your heart, replacing your cells, circulating your blood inside you right now. It's the living intelligence of life that's inside you, that's the same intelligence that keeps this earth circulating and moving at an extraordinary speed through this mysterious universe in just the right choreography with all the other planets, that there is the unlikely miracle of life here on earth. And Engaged Shamanism, I am a contemporary shaman. I was hit by lightning in my early 20s and spent 30 years on a journey of initiation, which I describe in my first book. And I'm going to be talking to you about this balance between that which is unbroken in you, that which remembers your connection to the earth underneath your feet as a living mother of extraordinary force and power. I'm going to be talking to you about the fire and the waters and the wind. We are elemental beings. And when we remember ourselves as that, we clock in to a sense of resource and power and self, authentic self, that enables us to spend time in the arena of the unbroken. The unbroken is nature itself. And the more time we're able to spend in that resourced place, the more we can hold those places inside ourselves and in others where we feel broken, where we feel, we're carrying the weight of our experiences as human beings in this life, not just ours, but also our ancestors. So as well as sharing with you some of my own experience of that journey, I'm going to take you on a shamanic journey with the drum. And I'm so looking forward to meeting you there. And I hope you feel inspired to come and join us, to hear me and to hear my fellow speakers sharing with you useful, important information that's going to help you make more space for who you are, to discover and deepen your connection to the very unique talents that you bring to this earth.